Friends, in this session we'll understand capital structure ratios. See, the business units will have to fund its assets, basically the fixed assets and current assets, through various sources of capital. So how those sources were structured, that's what we are going to understand from capital structure ratios. So capital structure ratios are basically into three. One is equity ratio, two is debt equity ratio, and three is debt to equity ratio. We'll understand one by one. The first one is we are going to focus on equity ratio. So to understand what is equity ratio, let us have a look at this example. We are going to have a balance sheet and we list the liabilities and assets. And in this capital structuring ratio, our focus is on the various sources of funds. So in this balance sheet, we list only the sources of funds, that is only liabilities. So what are the sources of funds for this business unit? The first is shareholder funds. Shareholders have invested say 100 crore. Then bankers have given a loan of 100 crore. And suppliers have given credit to the extent of 200 crore. So the total funds mobilized by this business unit is say 400 crore. So all these funds are called capital employed in the business, total capital employed in the business. Now we are concerned about what ratio? We are concerned about equity ratio. So first we should know what is the equity component in this. See, the shareholder funds is the equity component in the total liabilities. So this is the shareholders equity. Now we have to calculate equity ratio, right? So we have to establish a relationship between the shareholders equity and the total capital employed, so that we'll be able to calculate equity ratio. Now we'll see the calculation part. In our case, the shareholder funds was how much? It was 100 and the total capital employed was 400. So calculating equity ratio is nothing but expressing shareholder funds as a percentage of total capital employed. That is, shareholder funds divided by total capital employed will give you the equity ratio. Now we'll have it as 100 by 400, which is going to tell us the equity ratio is 25%. So equity ratio basically conveys the proportion of shareholder funds to the total capital